Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video I am going to show you how to save or how to store any number on your calculator. So guys, for example, you have any number, for example any mobile number or any other number. Let's say you have this number, okay, and you want to store this number in your calculator. Okay, so just type the number and then simply press this M plus button. Okay, just press this M plus button. Okay, so now this number is stored in the calculator. So even if you press AC on button, okay, or you do other type of calculations, okay, so the number remain save in your calculator. If you want to take out this number, if you want to see that number, now just press this MRC button. Okay, so now I will press MRC button and here is the number that you save. Okay, the next thing is, if you want to delete this number, if you want to remove this number, so what you have to do, you have to press this MRC button two times. Okay, so 1 2. So now this number is removed from your calculator. So if you do other calculation, you press AC on button, and now if you try to press this MRC button, there is no number showing because that number is already removed. So this is how you can save the number and you can remove any number from your calculator. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.